You know, Japan has been a constant source of inspiration for Carryology. We've been coming here for years, hunting down rare collabs, seeking inspiration, and meeting with some of the best minds in the carry game. But honestly, a lot of it is trying to just figure out why. Why is Japan such a powerhouse when it comes to carry? Let's talk about it. Ever visit Japan? If you have, you know that people do a lot of walking. As you know, people in Japan are logging serious foot mileage. Most people don't drive. They use subways and buses to navigate these epic giant cities to get to where they're going. And because there are millions and millions of people in Japan navigating through these cities every single day, they understand and appreciate quality carry. More so, perhaps more than anywhere else in the world. Spend just one day in Japan and it just kind of clicks. Bags aren't necessarily an afterthought. Carry here really matters. It's not necessarily about wanting just a nice backpack, it's that you need a nice backpack. Your bag just isn't a place to store stuff. It's your most used and most visible accessory. It's with you all day and every day. It needs to be adaptable, comfortable, and reliable. Whether you're commuting to and from work, going to dinners with friends, or heading home late at night. And while functionality is key, there's this almost reverent appreciation for design, for things that are both useful and beautiful. The Japanese require beauty and function combined. Japan even has a word for it. It loosely translates to the artisan spirit. It's about dedicating your life to a craft, making things perfect no matter how long it takes, getting better and better every single day. Some of these makers will spend years and years perfecting one little tiny detail. The perfect construction of a strap, the comfort of a handle, the tanning of leathers. It's next level stuff. And even though there are some elements of mass production, it's pretty much the opposite of mass production. Most of these top brands, they don't outsource giant factories. They work with small, specialized workshops, sometimes spread all over Japan. Or they'll have their own single dedicated factory, specializing to maybe one component or one specific aspect of the manufacturing. This isn't just about skill. It's tied to something much deeper than that. In Japan, there's philosophies and cultural significance that we just don't have anywhere else in the world. And all of those are still applied today. And then there's the idea is that imperfections can also be beautiful. And this might be hard to understand for some. The age and the patina can be beautiful, kind of like an old leather jacket. It just keeps getting better and better with wear. And for them, a scuffed up bag tells stories. And in fact, the repair itself can actually become more beautiful than it was before it was repaired. And then there's that quiet, unassuming cool. Nothing loud or flashy, just something that feels right. Subtle, elegant, and confident. And then there's this one's a little bit harder to pin down. It's about mystery and depth, something that you can feel, even if you can't quite explain it. That sense in a way that a bag just kind of speaks to you in a way that you can't explain. Here, we call it the X factor. So after all these years, and after many, many conversations with makers and craftspeople in Japan, do Japanese-made bags still live up to the hype? Honestly, yes. Yes, they really do. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about features or fancy materials. That does play a part of it, but it's not all of that. It's really about mindset and the inspiration behind these products. That allows you to arrive at the end product itself in a really unique, interesting way. That mindset values patience, persistence, value, and quality, something that you can actually really appreciate tangibly. And this actually gives a deep respect for the things that we carry with us. And in a world that moves fast and just throws things away when they're not needed anymore, this kind of thinking, it does make it extra special. So with that being said, drop a comment below. Let us know what your favorite Japanese brands are, your favorite Japanese products. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let us know. Thanks for watching.
Carryology is proudly backed by our friends at Bellroy. To learn more, visit our About Us page, link in the description.